Hi guys, Yolanda here from Vent Company, your ventilation specialist, and today we're going to review the alarm function on the Elisa ICU Ventilator from Löwenstein Medical. Why are alarms important on a mechanical ventilator? It's to alert medical professionals of changes in a patient's condition that may require intervention. It's a safety mechanism on the ventilator. The alarms can be visual, audible, or both. Alarms must be reviewed on each shift. It must be patient-specific and must take the patient's current condition into consideration. To access the alarm submenu, you will press the alarm button on the right-hand side of your screen and your alarm values will appear. Here you can adjust your alarms according to your patient's condition. To adjust the alarms, you will choose the parameter that you want to change. You will scroll unto the desired value and you will confirm. Let's recap that with another parameter, respiratory rate max. So we will press on respiratory rate, we will adjust, and we will confirm. Our backup ventilation alarm and our apnea alarm you will find under the Delays tab. You can also adjust the alarms with the most commonly recorded values by clicking on the left or the right hand side of these values and scrolling, adjusting and confirming. If the values displayed are all in green, it means that the values are within the alarm limits set for the patient. If they are in yellow, it means they're very close to the alarm limits, and if they are in red, they are outside the alarm limits. For demonstration purposes, we have adjusted the alarms to generate an audible alarm. To silence this alarm, you will press the alarm silence button on the top right-hand corner of the screen so that you can adjust your alarm limits and observe your patients. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the alarm message VT low, which was the current alarm that was sounding. If you open that window, it will show you possible reasons why the alarm was sounding and to consider some options to eliminate the alarm. There is also an upper and a lower scale next to the message where you can access your alarms as well to adjust them.